Let's read and learn. We are going to read a story. A day in the market. It was a bright and sunny Sunday morning when Arav's mother asked him to help her shop at the local market. We need fresh vegetables, fruits, and some spices for the week, she said. Arav wasn't too excited at first, but his mother promised they could also visit the street food stall for his favorite samosas. With a list in hand, they set off for the bustling market. Let's learn some word meanings from the passage. Local, related to a nearby area, spices, substances like turmeric or pepper used to flavor food, bustling, full of activity and noise. As soon as they entered the market, Arav was amazed by the sights and sounds. Vendors were calling out loudly, advertising their goods. Fresh apples, sweet and juicy oranges. One man shouted. Another vendor displayed colorful vegetables neatly arranged in baskets. Arav could smell the aroma of roasted corn and fried snacks wafting through the air. The market was crowded, with people bargaining for the best prices. Let's learn some word meanings from the passage. Vendors, people who sell things, especially in a market, advertising, promoting or making people aware of something for sale, bargaining, negotiating to get a lower price, aroma, a pleasant smell. Arav's mother stopped at a vegetable stall and began inspecting the produce. These tomatoes look ripe and fresh, she said, picking up a few. Arav was tasked with carrying the shopping bag, which quickly became heavy. He looked at the carrots, cucumbers, and leafy greens, noticing how vibrant they looked. The vendor smiled and said, "Madam, I'll give you the best price, only for you." His mother laughed and replied, "Only if you add a few extra chilies, for free." Let's learn some word meanings from the passage. Inspecting, looking at something closely to check its quality. Ripe, ready to eat, especially for fruits and vegetables. Vibrant, bright and full of life, produce fresh fruits and vegetables. Next, they stopped at the spice shop, where jars filled with colorful powders and seeds lined the shelves. Arav was fascinated by the variety. "What's this?" he asked, pointing to a small jar. "That's cardamom," the shopkeeper explained. "It's used to make tea and desserts smell and taste better." Arav sniffed it and found the smell strong but pleasant. His mother bought turmeric, cumin, and red chili powder. Let's learn some word meanings from the passage. Fascinated, very interested or amazed by something. Variety, a range of different things. Cardamom, a spice often used in Indian cooking and desserts. Cumin, a spice used for flavoring food. After finishing most of the shopping, Arav and his mother stopped at a street food stall. The vendor was frying fresh samosas, and the smell made Arav's mouth water. They ordered 2 samosas and a glass of cool sugarcane juice. Arav took a big bite and said, "This is the best samosa ever." His mother smiled and reminded him to save some for later. Let's learn some word meanings from the passage. Stall, a small shop or stand, usually in a market or street, frying, cooking food in hot oil, mouth-watering, something that looks or smells very delicious. Their final stop was the fruit stand. Arav picked up some mangoes and asked the vendor, "How do I know if these are sweet?" The vendor laughed and replied, "Press them gently." If they're soft, they're ripe. Araf followed his advice and selected the sweetest looking mangoes. They also bought bananas, apples, and a watermelon. Araf struggled to carry the bags but felt proud of helping his mother. Let's learn some word meanings from the passage. Gently, softly, without force, advice, a suggestion or recommendation, struggled, found it difficult to do something. With their bags full, Arav and his mother headed home. On the way, Arav couldn't stop talking about how much fun he had. Markets are so lively and colorful, he said. His mother smiled and said, yes, and they teach us how to choose the best items and handle money wisely. Arav nodded, realizing he had learned something new while enjoying the day. Let's learn some word meanings from the passage. Lively, full of energy and life, colorful, full of bright colors or variety, wisely, in a smart or sensible way.